My name is Daniel Castagnoli, and I'm a co-founder of Exodus. Exodus is a friendly, all-in-one app to secure, manage, and exchange blockchain assets. In the past, to gain exposure to blockchain assets, investors had to learn about exchanges, private keys, backup seeds, mining fees, cold storage, hot wallets, and more. Further, after weeks of education to acquire blockchain assets, these investors end up giving up their financial privacy, they have to trust their capital with a third party, and they risk the same capital being hacked or stolen. For traditional investors, this risk is too high and the learning curve too steep. Exodus simplifies this process to give digital asset investors an easy, safe, and private way to secure, manage, and exchange a diversified portfolio of blockchain assets. Central storage of wealth creates a target for thieves. This problem dates back to the first bank robberies and still happens today with blockchain assets. Recently, it was reported $70 million was stolen from Bitcoin exchange Bitfinex. Before that, an estimated $500 million was stolen from Mt. Gox. Immediately after these hacks, all one has to do is read the online forums to understand the devastation these victims experience. Exodus was created to shift the power back to the people to secure and manage their own assets. With no centralized control, Exodus gives investors an easy solution to secure, manage, and exchange blockchain assets with full privacy and no counterparty risk. Today, a typical investor manages and trades blockchain assets on a centralized exchange with significant risk. This is because in the past, before Exodus, it was too difficult to set up a private, secure way to manage multiple blockchain assets. We believe money managers and larger institutional pools of funds are about to make their way into this new blockchain asset class that have held out due to counterparty risk and security concerns. Exodus is an all-in-one app that holds your private keys to your assets in an easy-to-use and secure way without the need for hosted servers that can lead to the theft of your digital assets by hackers. This approach not only protects your blockchain assets, it gives you total control. Exodus shows your blockchain asset portfolio visually, as well as the bottom line to your diversified portfolio. To browse blockchain assets, click on Wallet, then the name of each blockchain asset to view individual account balances. To receive funds, click the Receive button. Exodus generates an address that is now ready to accept deposits. To send funds, Exodus allows you to send to a QR code. In one click, send your entire account balance. Or if you feel more comfortable working in dollars, Exodus will convert the amount needed. One of the best parts of Exodus is the built-in exchange. In one click, users can exchange any blockchain asset. Think of this like a real-time 24/7 blockchain asset exchange with no counterparty risk and no need to deposit funds with a broker. Exodus builds software for investors of the future. The blockchain, for the first time in history, has created a movement to shift power back to investors to manage their own assets with no banks, no brokers, or institutional oversight. Exodus was created for these financial visionaries, explorers departing the legacy system to protect and create wealth for future generations.